Well, happy Sunday. We've had a few spotty showers and storms develop today. Today, they're definitely favoring I-25 and our eastern plains. So let's zoom in across our area and really see where these storms are forming and look at their storm motion. So we got a pretty decent thunderstorm that's formed south of Lamar. You can see some small hailstones with this cell. It's providing some lightning as well. Storm motion generally is towards the east, but storms are moving very slow today. So I will be concerned about some pockets of heavy rain for the storms that do develop. Got a few minor showers northwest of Springfield, and we have a few showers that are pretty minor at this point, but west of Walsenburg and Trinidad. So in the Pikes Peak region, we're also tracking a couple of storms. This cell was over the city and Air Force Academy earlier. It's now starting to move into eastern El Paso County, providing plenty of lightning, even lightning outside of the main core of the storm. So make sure you're going inside if you hear those rumbles of thunder. And then we also have this storm that's forming just south of Pueblo. So that one could have some heavy rainfall with it, maybe some pea-sized hailstones. This is that cell you can see from our Pueblo Skycam right now, south of town. Very hit or miss storms for us this afternoon, and they'll continue their slow progression towards the east. So anytime through the rest of this evening, you could see these scattered storms, again favoring areas along I-25 and in the eastern plains. I expect this to lose its energy and intensity after sunset, and will just be partly cloudy here tonight. And then we're going to have a chance of a few more spotty showers on Monday. On Monday, we don't have a whole lot of moisture to work with, so I expect to see quite a bit of evaporation, which means under any of the storms that develop on Monday, we'll have some gusty wind and mostly just sprinkles and some light rain. Those will be more so into the mountains up to I-25 on Monday. So don't be surprised if you get a spot shower. Most of us are going to be dry on Monday. On Tuesday, looks like we'll have a little bit more moisture to work with. And so storms initially will spark up close to the mountains in I-25. They'll quickly move off of the interstate, and then they'll head into the eastern plains. I am concerned about some severe weather potential on Tuesday afternoon and evening east of I-25. We could have a couple of stronger storms that produce strong wind gusts, hail, and heavy rainfall. So in general, our temperatures this week are going to feel nice, like late summer weather, close to average for this time of year. Tonight we'll drop to the 40s and 50s, and on Monday, talking 70s, 80s, couple low 90s into the lower elevations. And on Tuesday, similar day, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Wednesday is going to be much of the same. So those temperatures in general are going to stay nice. We don't have a whole lot of storm energy from the upper atmosphere this week, just a few very modest amounts of energy for the majority. But then by Friday, I'm tracking a larger storm system that will sling some energy into Colorado. That gives us our best chance of rain this week. I have a spot shower mentioned just about every day, but those are going to be really hit or miss showers, and mostly I'm looking at a dry forecast. But Friday is when I see that energy moving through, and that gives us our best storm potential of the week. And temperatures, as you'll notice, are going to stay in the 80s. So in Pueblo, generally upper 80s to low 90s. I have a spot shower mentioned for most days, but Friday has a higher impact potential for us with the highest likelihood of rain and thunderstorms. In Canyon City, I'm generally looking at 80s for you in the next 7 days. Best storm chances Thursday, Friday. Woodland Park, an isolated shower possible every day. Better chances Thursday, Friday.